Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we are making a tropical flower, Heliconia, which also called as lobster claws. Before we start, we want to thank all of you for supporting this channel. We have just reached 100 subscribers, which really means a lot to us. You have further motivated us to do what we love. As a thank to all of you, this template will be available to download for free. Once again, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Now, let's get back to our tutorial. These are what you need for this project. First, we cut the petals out according to the template. We will need one petal from each template. I have used the salmon color here, but if you have light orange crepe paper, you can use that instead. Then color the bottom half of the petals in a light orange. You can simply mix the red and yellow. And let them dry. Prepare a piece of beige paper in 3.5 x 8 cm for the flower center, and color the top third of the paper with a diluted light orange. Color both sides. Let it dry a bit and add a bit of light green randomly on both sides. And wait until the paper strip is completely dry. After that, we are going to finish coloring the petals. Color the top of the petals with some pink paint. Then we go back to the first petal and color the opposite side. We also color top 2/3 of the petal in pink. Now you can go for your coffee and wait for everything to dry completely. For the flower centers, we need 3 pieces of 3.5 x 2.5 color strips. Cut each strip into 6 thick fringes. Fold the paper like folding a fan, and attach the folding with UHU Glue. Rub the fringes to create the flower center. Then color the tips with a bit of green and trim into pointy tips. Now we are going to attach the petals onto the stem. We start with the smallest petal, expand the bottom of the petals a little, hold the bottom petal onto the wire, and shape the petal. Then we attach the shaped petal with some hot glue. Do the same to the second petal and place it close to the first petal. For the third petal, we will attach it further down towards the end of the second petal. There are 2 ways in attaching the flower center. You can choose to attach the flower center onto the stem first, then attach the petal. Make sure the petal can wrap around the flower stem. Do the same with the petal number 4 and 5. Or you can attach the petal first, then add the flower center afterwards. we are going to make the leaves to go with the flowers. Make the leaves with our usual method. And use the 18 gauge wire as the main leaf stamp. Finally, wrap the leaves and the flower stem with a green floral tape. Then you are done. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you like it. Thank you again for all the comments, likes and subscribes. And don't forget to check the link in the info box below to download your template. Bye for now and see you soon.